one person so far. Where is everybody? That's okay. They'll come by in a little bit. As we're talking about Bitcoin, there they are. Hello, everybody. They came in at the last second. Now, there's this thing going on with Bitcoin. I wonder what's going on. Of course, I wear my favorite shirt. Told you so. So, everybody is asking when Bitcoin was going to go down. When is it going to do this? When is it going to? And everybody's looking for the best price. And I was just talking to the wife just before the show. That time has come and gone. I don't think we're going to see those low prices again of have to put it into American money, $25,000, $28,000. Those days are gone. I think it's going to be, I think it's 46 right now, American. It's $60,000 Canadian. So this is the moment in time when we're going to be, of course, Alkaline goes, this is the mini bull run for the Christmas season that I predicted was going to happen. Just wait. Okay. When we have that happening, I think a lot of things are going to be hitting the fan outside of Bitcoin, of course, and outside of the cryptocurrency world. I think that we're going to go even higher as the BlackRock is finalizing its paperwork. And I think most of what's going on right now, the excitement right now within the cryptocurrency world is because they finalized the paperwork for the ETF. So that means the ETF is pretty close around the corner. So let's throw some cards down for what's going to be happening for Bitcoin for the next little while. And maybe we'll do one for the ETF and on its arrival. And there are already, of course, there's 13 ETF companies wanting to do an ETF. So I think there's a new one that came out of the woodwork just today. So Bitcoin, look at the health is going to be really good. I was expecting a little bit of a stutter there for the next little while, but I don't think that's going to be happening. I think we're going to be moving on up as we've been all waiting for this particular situation. It's not just to do with the what's going on with Bitcoin itself and cryptocurrency. It's to do with what's happening with fiat currency and the economy and many other aspects of the world going on right now. That's really going to be pushing that cryptocurrencies prices even higher as people are starting to lose confidence, not only in cash, okay, but in governments and all that sort of thing. So anytime people start to lose confidence in government or cash, or cash always goes down and you have a hard time with things, and something else like gold is also on the way up as well. People are going to be trusting other assets that are out there. And what, the old one would be the gold to get out of the system. And now we have something like the Bitcoin. So getting back to the cards, health is going to be really, really well. I don't see any situation in the next couple months that's going to be taking it down, Bitcoin. There's going to be little dips and bobs and all that. So it's not all the way up. We don't want it all the way up because that's not natural. Price-wise, it's going to be really going up in a great way. I was going to say slow. It's a little slower than the last time that we got into cryptocurrencies in the last bull run, because the last bull run went just like that within like a day or two. I think this is going to be a tiny bit slower, sort of, and I think it's going to continue to go up quite considerably. And there's going to be a lot of cash coming in, and so it's going to have a lot of steam moving forward. Not like the last time when the cash kind of runs out after over time. And you have to remember, many of the people that are getting into these ETFs are going to be in it to stay in it. They're not going to be going up, 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 and then selling at the top. They're just going to put their money in and wait till, Bitcoin's at $1 billion or whatever. You have to remember, many of the people that are getting into these particular ETFs, this is their pocket change that they're going to be throwing in. So it's kind of the money that they don't really, have $1 billion, that sort of thing, that they're throwing into this cryptocurrency whirlwind. So the next thing to get ready for would be the Ethereum ETFs that are going to be coming up. So hopefully you've gotten your ETFs or your Ethereum on hand as well. And of course, the people behind the scenes and in front of the scenes, we're going to have some type of harmony going forward with the Bitcoin price and everything